Elvis, I want to know your opinion on this electric truck.
You can't really compare it. It's like driving a completely different vehicle. It's just a pleasure to drive. I look forward to work now. Just getting into it.
It's not every day that you get to ride in a truck. No average truck. This is an electric one. Let's go for a ride. Guys, we're riding with Elvis. I'm going to deliver to Beldon Coles to see what it's like to be riding in an electric truck and to experience the delivery. So guys, I work at the Coles DC in Kewdale, Perth, Australia, but I work inside the DC as a forklift operator mainly. We use the toll group for the logistics, so delivering most of the stock. This vehicle in particular is a Volvo FM electric. Now these are actually made in Australia. I didn't know that. In Brisbane, they've been making Volvo trucks since 1972. So Toll basically bought two of these EV trucks, prime movers, and I think they're aiming to do 52 deliveries combined a week, I think roughly. Elvis, I want to know your opinion on this electric truck compared to the diesel counterpart.
You can't really compare it.
Yeah?
No, it's like driving a completely different vehicle. The way you operate it is different. The way it responds is different. The only upside we have at the moment with the diesels is the range. I feel like that's only a temporary issue.
They're quite modular, these trucks. I actually don't know the exact figures of this truck in particular. I don't know if you do, Elvis, either, but 660 horsepower I found online. Does that sound right?
Yep, that's right, mate.
Ah, beauty. Which is about 490 kilowatts of power. You'll be able to save about 100 tons of CO2 emissions per truck a year. It's saving 30k of fuel saving per vehicle, very roughly. Compared to a diesel, is it a lot quieter?
Oh, a lot, mate.
Yeah?
A lot.
Yeah, right.
It's just, there is no noise. The only noise that we do get is from the fridge that's in the trailer. That's
right. How about the Regen Braking thing?
Oh, it does wonders. Just a quick example, going up to Mundaring, we use around 25% of the battery. Coming back from Mundaring, because we're going down Greenmount Hill, is back to DC, we use 3%. So there's a lot of generation done under braking down that hill.
Was it hard to get used to the Regen braking? Is that when you take your foot off the accelerator, it slows down? Is that how it works, like normal electric cars?
To a point, yeah. There's two different braking modes. If you tap the brake, you'll go to level 1 Regen braking. And tap it again, we'll go into level 2, so harsher braking.
Yep.
And that's enough normally to pull you up.
So how often are you using the assist system? The whole time?
The whole time, yeah. It's built to, one, consume power, so it knows what it needs to do.
Yes.
It's safer.
Yep.
Keeps us within lanes.
Yep.
Alerts us of anything that's going on around it, so it's just basically we're just sitting here monitoring. As far as the automatic emergency brake this applies,
yes,
it's pretty responsive.
Yeah.
It pulls up real quick if it has to, so you really feel safe when you're operating it. Just like adaptive cruise control, you can set the distance between the cars. We do the same thing here.
But can also steer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Yep. Brake, take off.
Go to 0 kilometers an hour too, won't it? So. Yep.
It will stop. It will literally stop, and then after 20 seconds, if the car in front hasn't moved, you will have to initiate the takeoff after 20 seconds. That noise there, we were indicating left, and there was a car in our trailerway. So.
Will it assist you on lane changes?
No.
No,
so
not yet.
As soon as you indicate.
Yep.
The self-steering, I guess.
Yes.
That cuts off, and then you gotta steer it along to swap lanes.
Yes.
So then once you stop indicating you're in that lane, it will turn back on.
So it automatically re-engages.
Yeah.
The actual battery that we've got in here is apparently an NCA, a Samsung NCA battery, nickel cobalt aluminium battery, which is 450 kilowatt hours. Is that right?
540 from what I've...
Oh, right.
Yeah, we've got 6 90 kilowatt batteries.
Oh, 6. Okay, so that was the other variation. You can have a 450 or a 540 kilowatt hour. So we've got the 6 battery option. It takes about 4 hours to fully charge. Is that right?
If you're sharing the charging station with the other Prime, it will take around 4 hours. By itself, because you're using 180 full kilowatts of available power.
Yes.
It's probably about 2 hours. We roughly worked it out to be 1% a minute or so.
And acceleration, the difference.
Yeah, it's instant. It's right there.
Yeah, a lot quicker?
Yeah, a lot more responsive, a lot quicker, and you don't notice the weight as much as you do in a diesel. You don't get that pull back every gear change as well. Obviously, we've got 12 gears, and you can feel them sometimes, but very slightly to feel the gear change. So it's got 4 gears in reverse.
Oh, right. Wow.
So, no, it's just smooth as.
Downside-wise, yeah, I mean, besides range, I mean, that's improving, gosh, every month in there, because I follow the EV industry. But, I mean, that's one downside. Any other downsides that you can think of? Not really?
No, not really. No, it's just a pleasure to drive. I look forward to work now, just getting into it and going on.
That's all.
Day. No, it's not, none at all.
And you've been in this industry for over 16 years, is that right?
Nearly, yeah.
Right, so you've had quite a bit of experience with the diesel counterpart. And we've got 36-ton gross combined weight. How many Ks roughly do you reckon we'll get with that weight on?
Probably looking no more than 250.
So in front of you, what's different?
This dashboard here there's a lot of information there that we know. Like we know what that speed that car is doing in front of us because we're following it in this pilot assist mode. So he's on 90.
Wow.
92 at the moment, so we can set a distance and how far we want to stay away from them.
Right.
We've got cameras in this screen.
Yep.
Side camera, rear camera, so we can have those cameras on if we need to.
Ah, brilliant.
So we can see down that whole side just by looking at this screen, not having a look at that mirror.
Yeah, so
and obviously that'll be ideal. On your pillar there's a red, well it's gone now.
Yeah, I saw that.
The light comes on. If someone's inside our trailer,
that
will come up and tell you there's someone down that laneway. So that's very handy.
Oh, yes.
All these mirrors, which is a core difference, both of these, the top and lower mirrors are adjustable either side by a remote control here.
Yep.
So normally the diesels, the bottom one has to be manually adjusted. So you have to get out and move that around if you need to, but this one, everything's electric. So
yeah,
that's quite handy. It's just so much user friendly. It's made for the driver. Like the cockpit kind of wraps around us, so everything's within arm's reach, so we can. We need to control, we can.
Right.
Yeah, so this one here just basically tells you how you're driving if you're operating the vehicle, the way it needs to be operated to optimise the range that you're getting out of the batteries. So, like it tells you there, done 114 Ks, 3 hours and 20 minutes of operating, and all 4, I guess, KPIs. Where they need to be at 100. So if one of these was down, say the anticipation, that's one of the hardest ones to keep happy because that's if you're on the pedals too much and not really using the steering wheel to operate, that will go down. So the harsher you brake, the more often you brake, the faster you accelerate, all that adds to reducing the traction batteries.
Right.
So this is the ultimate performance to keep the truck happy and get the most out of it. If one of these is lacking, you can go into the tips and we'll tell you kind of what to do to improve it, but right now there's nothing there. So this one here has 3 different trips we can set up. They're all set to today basically. So since this morning we've done 115 kilometers, used 225 kilowatts of power, and the range is 154 per 100 kilometers. So if you go into the overview, it gives you more information. So we've used 225 kilowatts, we've regenerated 41 kilowatts. Average speed there, 34 Ks, so it just gives you it's like an in-depth trip meter. So I've got my target set at 145 kilowatts per 100 Ks. We've had two loads, so we're running at 154. So once we get back to the DC, our prediction is that will drop to below 150.
How does the steering feel?
There's different settings. There's 4 different modes or a custom mode, so you can really adjust it to how you want. A stable, firm steering wheel, a light one. It's just again something that's customizable to the driver and how they like their steering wheel to feel. But as far as electric power steering, it's so light. It's you can just operate it with one hand, one finger. It's so light.
So what's it feeling like when you got no load on the back? Like that must be a significant difference in acceleration and handling, I'd imagine, or no?
No, it's really it just adapts. Like the suspension adapts, the torque, the traction batteries, they adapt. It's just everything just feels just smooth.
It's like you haven't got a load on the back or something.
No, exactly. Yeah, you have to look back like there's a trailer.
91 k's an hour is the optimum speed on the freeway for efficiency. Is that right?
Yes, that's what's advised by Volvo to hold at 91 just to get the best range.
So you said you got 3 different modes.
Yeah, so 3 different driving modes available. So we've just come off the freeway, so we'll swap from standard mode to range mode. So that just limits the amount of horsepower that we have available. And in this current mode now, we can only do up to 80 k's an hour.
Right.
Considering we're on kind of the back streets and in the suburbs now, we don't need more than 80, so we'll just run in that. And that also helps reduce the amount of battery we use and extends our range.
Right. So you have to do that change manually.
Yeah, it's just a little button here on the gearbox that we press, go into that mode. So once we get back on that freeway, we'll jump back into standard mode, and then we have 400 kilometers an hour available. After that, we have performance mode, which opens up the whole 660 horsepower, I think, and we haven't been recommended to use that at all. There's no need for that. That's if we've got a B double or a road train that we're pulling, then we'll go into that mode for the power.
Right.
But we don't operate in that mode at all, so it's awesome.
Yeah, it's the same with my Tesla. I've got chill mode and standard mode, which, like you said, does the same thing, saves power. We have arrived at Beldon Coles, and now we're unloading. So we used 19%, did you say?
Yeah.
41 kilometres.
Yep, that's right. So today we've regened 42 kilowatts.
Ah, fantastic.
We've used 229.
Yep.
Done 116 kilometres. Yeah, so this is our airbag controller. So one of the cool features on this EV is we can actually control the airbags on the steer tyres. So lift them up and down as far as we need. So each axle on this prime mover, we can control the airbags and ride height of the truck. So when we're hooking up, we'll lower the complete prime mover, lower it down, go underneath the trailer nice and clear, and then once we're underneath the kingpin, we'll lift the truck up to get the trailer off the ground, and then we can hook onto the kingpin easily. And once that's all done, the landing gear's up, we can return it to its normal ride height, and then it goes from there. So you've got real good control as far as the airbags and the ride heights.
Yeah, so it's more adjustable than the diesels, basically.
Yeah, definitely, especially on the steers. We can't adjust the front axle suspension on the steers, but we got full control.
So we're back at the DC now. What is the procedure?
So we'll check through and we'll call up this trailer, let them know what the trailer number is, how many returns we have. We have 12 on board, so they'll probably put us on a reverse door, unhook the trailer, we'll park up, walk in, get another load. So
guys, we've used 14% to get home. How many Ks was that? 43. 43 Ks. Completely quiet. So you got ocular, radio. Where does it say it's charging?
Just here, right there.
Oh yeah, charging.
So,
Oh, there you go. And that's it.
That's it.
Simple as that. So I'm a bit of an EV nerd, so I thought I asked my bosses, and thank you, Maria, Travis, the hydrogen man, and Kerry for allowing me to do this. I really appreciate it. And most of all, I really appreciate Elvis for having me along and informing me on all this, giving me all this information, mate. So thank you very much. I appreciate it.
No worries, buddy, anytime.
Thank you.